I think it's the same. Okay, okay, no, it's different. Okay, okay, it's different than other things. So this image 1, this is image 2. Okay, no, not bad. Okay, but I recommend you that you have to choose a specific ratio for all of your images. So the width of each image, it should be 970 by 340 pixel height. So that's all. So this image appears to be more small, so it's not good. Choose. So here I'm going to choose another image. As you see, that's all. Let's scroll down. Also, we have the ability to enable or add different images as the slide 3, as this photo. Also, as the slide 4, I had also add image previous. We can disable or enable or replace or click here directly to replace this image with other images. So let's leave it as is. Okay, I'm going to choose this image. Then go to make okay. That's all. So this is the new image. Okay, sorry, it's okay. There's no problem for slide 4. Let's scroll down, and here's slide 5. Let's click here at the slide 5 to show up the other image. Click here, click here, click here. Okay, that's okay. Really, it's good looking. Finally, if we want to add a new photo with a slide 5 or slide 6, we can do that. Click here, then adding a new image. If we need to add different images, let's go to another folder to see if we have any images. Let's click here to brands to see. Okay, let's go to choose this image. I think it's much smaller than the default size. Okay. Oh no, it's illegal. No. Here I'm going to add multiple images. Okay, different image. No. Okay, let's make it disable because of I had no image with the best resolution or with the best size like this. Finally, I'm going to save changes, as you see. Okay, here we go. That's all. Let's come back again after make all of customization and managing for this slider. We have to go back. That's all for the home page slideshow. Let's go to the home page featured product. How to choose your featured product. Click here at the featured product. Unfortunately, still now we didn't add any product, but no result found, none. So by the way, when we add new products, we have the ability to add featured product to be appears or to be represents or showing up at the home page. Sorry. Now let's go to the home page featured collections. Let's go. Let's try to see. Here we see the featured collections. Here we see the home page, featured collection, home page. It's okay. Home page. Here we see the number of products per row. 3. Let's try to add 4. Okay. Here we go. So by default it's 3. Okay. The size it will be different. Okay. Should be different. Okay, let's go to choose number of rows. 5. Okay, still now there's no product. There's no number of products. So that let's go to choose number 2, number of products per row. It should add 2, but unfortunately there is no data. Okay, let's leave it as is, 3 by 3. Then show heading. If we are going to click here to show headings, to be a featured item, like this example. Now go to save change. So that's the way to manage all of the featured collection at the home page. Let's go back to the main of launch star at the main page for store. Now let's go to the home page, featured content. This is the featured content. Click here at the home page, featured content. Here we see the featured content, home page. Featured content, it represents the home page content. Also we can choose another content like about us. Click here at about us, then this content will be changed. Okay, here we go. Here we see all of this data comes up with this option. So let's come back again to choose the home page content or the home page featured. That's okay. Then let's go to come back. So now it's the time to go to the product page, how to customize the product page through the theme. Click here at the product page to see what will happen. Also we will come back at this part to add more customization. So here we see the product page, show quantity selector. If we leave it, it will disappear. So image zoom, lightbox, or zoom in, or new zone. So lightbox looking great for showing the products. Also here we see the product thumbnail position below main image or right of main image. If we are going to choose right of main image, it will comes up to the right main. I encourage you to choose below main image. That's a good user experience. Also here we see the enable related products. That's a good idea to be shown with each product. That's all. Let's come back again to continue. By the way, at these contents, featured content or collections or page, we have to add the products. So we will come back again at these parts when we add new products with the next section. So be patient to learn more at the section 2 of adding product. Then you have to come back again to add these settings with your team. So let's go to the collection page. So this is the collection page to help you how to customize and how to manage collection page. Here we see the show product sale circle, show product sold out circle, enable collection sorting, enable tag sorting. You have to check or uncheck all of these features if you want to add or if you want to enable or disable some of these features. Here you see number of products per row. 3, 4, you have to add number of products to be shown, like this 3 or 2 or 1. You have to choose your settings with the featured products. When you add any products, you have to do that. Let's come back again to see the other contents of the main page. Let's go to the cart page. So this is the cart page. Enable order notes. So this is the cart page, by the way. Enable order notes. If we want to add enable, if we are going to choose the enable order notes for the products at the page of card. So this is the page of card. When you click at this part, your cart is currently empty. So we have to enable or disable these notes as you want. Also here you see the stay on the current page when an item is added to the cart. This features allows us to stay on the current page when we add product to the cart. So that's all. These are features. These are good features for the adding pages for the cart. By the way, let's go back again to the home page to see how to continue. Let's go to the social media. These are the social media. Social media appears to be on the bottom of the site if we add these links. So let's go to adding or customize some of these social media. Here we have to add, we have the ability to add account of Twitter or Facebook or Pinterest or Google Plus or Instagram or Tumblr or YouTube channel or Vimeo or Fancy or RSS. All of these links can be integrated to the site of Shopify store. So that's all. Let's come back again. That's all for the home page. The last thing is checkout. This is the checkout page. We can add some banners with a checkout. Use custom background if we want to. If we want to use custom background by adding some picture here. Also, we can add some images like logo or custom photo to be represent the logo of the checkout page. Also, we have the ability to add the position for checkout to be on the left side or on the right side. Also, we can add the main content area of background image, background order, summary. So all of these features comes up with the checkout page. We can change or customize all of these features at the checkout. So that's all for the home page at the theme. Then let's come back again to the theme page. So that's all. Here we can see all of our changes at this page. So that's all. Here we see the logo, the menu, the slider, the content, the collections, the featured collections, the bottom menu. That's all. We can customize, add, enable, disable. That's all. Let's come back again here to continue. Now we have finished from the first part of basic settings at PrestaShop store. Now it's the time to go to the next lecture of blogs or blog posts, how to customize, how to add, and how to manage the blog post. So that's all for this lecture, and see you in next lecture of blog posts. Goodbye.